What if my Mini 5 Pro review was a song?
Mini 5 Pro, light as air. 1-inch sensor takes you there. Day or night, the footage shines. Your adventures perfectly timed. Mini 5 Pro, small but strong. Take it with you all day long. Follow me mode, smooth and free. This is the drone for you and me. 225 degrees, the gimbal spins. Vertical shots, the story begins. Swap the props, you're good to go. That's the power of Mini 5 Pro. LiDAR eyes in the dark of night keeps you safe. Your path is right. City streets or forest flow. Trust the power of Mini 5 Pro. 48 mil, zoom in tight. Cinematic close-ups looking right. Portraits glow with skin so true. Pocket tech is shining through. 36 minutes in the sky, not always how we fly. Swap your packs and fly, fly, fly. 42 gigs inside, you're cool. It's small and cool, a little thick, but still C0. That's the trick. Lego to fly wherever you go, all in one. The Mini 5 Pro. Mini 5 Pro. Small but strong. This is the drone we've waited on. Mini 5 Pro. Fly and see. Freedom made for you and me. Mini 5 Pro.
So what did you think about that? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you liked this song. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for listening and see you on the next one.